How to fix YouTube not showing cast icon. So for example, if you open up your YouTube application, and then after opening, if you simply choose a video, a random video, and then here on the upper right side you will have cast icon, right? So if you don't have that cast icon, then first thing you need to do is you need to simply open up your Play Store and then go for the search icon and simply search for YouTube. And after searching, if you have an update option, then you can simply tap on update, and you need to update your YouTube application. And after updating, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can remove that, and then you can open up your settings and go for apps and notifications, and you need to open up your YouTube on your settings, and then go for storage and cache, and now you can simply tap on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you can simply go back, and then you can remove that, and you need to restart your device. You can simply hold on to that power button, and here you will have restart option. Simply tap on restart and your problem might be fixed. So that's it. These were the few fixes to your problem, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.